Every year, technology advances, making our lives simpler and more convenient. It's common to see old gadgets replaced by newer, more sophisticated ones. However, some innovations stand out from the rest. These groundbreaking ideas are sure to amaze you. Many of them are still in the early stages of development and may take time to become mainstream, but their potential is undeniable. Let's take a closer look. Number 10. BMW Electrified Wingsuit. Flying has always been something people dream about, and the BMW Electrified Wingsuit might make that dream come true. It's powered by the 15 kilowatts rig you wear on your chest, with 2 carbon impellers. It lets you soar through the sky at 186 miles per hour. The design is small and promises a whole new experience of flying. Imagine wearing a special suit that lets you fly like a bird. That's what the BMW Electrified Wingsuit offers. With its powerful engine and lightweight design, it's like having wings of your own. You can soar high above the ground, feeling the wind rush past you as you zip through the air. This wingsuit isn't just for thrill seekers. It could revolutionize transportation, making it possible to travel long distances, quickly and efficiently. No more sitting in traffic or waiting for public transportation. Just strap on your wingsuit and take off into the sky. Number 9. Open Bionics, Konami Venom Hero Bionic Arm. This technology helps people who have lost their arms below the elbow or above the elbow. It works for grown-ups and kids. Even an 8-year-old can use it. The design of the arm is inspired by a video game character called Venom Snake from Metal Gear Solid 5. This could change how doctors help people. The device is called a prosthetic arm. It's like a robot arm that attaches to where someone's real arm used to be. With this technology, people who lost their arms can do things like pick up objects or hold things again. It's controlled by moving muscles or by using buttons. This new prosthetic arm could make a big difference in the medical world. It could help many people who lost their arms live more normal lives. And because it's inspired by a cool video game character, it might even make wearing a prosthetic arm seem cooler to kids. Before we proceed with our next countdown, remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more fun updates. Now, let's jump right back into the video. Number 8. Virtuix Omni 1 VR Treadmill. Imagine a special treadmill for virtual reality that lets you move in all directions, up, down, sideways, and even all the way around. It has sensors that can tell when you crouch or kneel. It's like playing a video game, but it also helps you burn lots of calories. This treadmill is easy to carry around and doesn't need a lot of space. It's about 4 feet across. This virtual reality treadmill is like a magical mat that lets you explore different worlds while exercising. Whether you're climbing a mountain or running through a city, the treadmill reacts to your every move, making the experience feel real. You can squat, jump, or even duck, and the sensors pick it all up. It's like being inside your own action movie. What's great is that this treadmill isn't huge. It's just 4 feet wide, so you can set it up almost anywhere in your home. Plus, it's lightweight, so you can easily move it around. Whether you want to burn some calories or just have fun, this VR treadmill is perfect for getting you moving and entertained at the same time. Number 7. Microsoft Autonomous Robots with Azure Cloud. These robots are like machines for a good future. They use artificial intelligence and don't need big computers. These robots are designed to help make life easier. They use advanced technology called artificial intelligence to think and make decisions. Unlike some other machines, they don't need huge computers to work. Instead, they use something called the Azure Cloud platform, which helps them work fast and respond quickly to commands. One cool thing about these robots is that they come in lots of different colors. You can choose the one that you like the best. Plus, they can be personalized to fit your own needs and preferences. If you want them to remember certain things or do specific tasks, you can customize them to do just that. Number 6. Ellie Tsang Hello from the Weather Temperature Machine. This technological innovation makes it feel like you're outside. It's still an idea and has a part at the top that shows the weather using pictures like sun, clouds, rain, and snow. What's really cool is that you can actually feel how hot or cold it is outside at the bottom. This will definitely help people decide what clothes to wear outside. Imagine waking up and not having to check your phone or the news to know what the weather's like. With this device, you just have to look at it and feel it to know if you need a coat or sunglasses. The top part shows symbols for different kinds of weather. For example, if there's a sun symbol, it means it's sunny outside. If there are clouds, it's probably cloudy. And if there are raindrops or snowflakes, you know it's wet or snowy out there. At the bottom, there's a part that feels cold or warm, depending on how hot or cold it is outside. So, if it feels chilly, you know how to bundle up before heading out. Number 5. Science Robotics RoBeetle insect-sized microbot. This cool tech uses a fuel called methanol. Methanol can store more energy in a smaller space than batteries. The microbot doesn't need electricity from outside. It has small fake muscles that let it move just like a real bug. It's like having a tiny, super-powered insect friend. This means it can do things without needing to be plugged in or have big, heavy batteries. So you could imagine a world where tiny robots like this help out in all sorts of ways, just like bugs do in nature. They could maybe even help clean up messes or explore hard-to-reach places. Number 4. Sony Spatial Reality Display. This 3D display makes things look real, like they're popping out at you. It's got special tech that can tell where your eyes are looking. It works super fast, like in a thousandth of a second, and can figure out if you're looking up, down, left, right, or even how far away you're looking. So, when you watch stuff on this screen, it feels like the things are right there in front of you, almost like you can touch them. It's like magic. This display is great for watching movies or playing games because it feels like you're really inside the action. And because it's so good at tracking your eyes, it knows exactly where to show things to make them look their best. Number 3. Handjet EBS-260 Handheld Anywhere Printer. This printer is called Handjet because it's like a small machine you hold in your hand. It can print on many things like wood, plastic, or cement. Usually, you need separate printers for each material, but not with Handjet. It can print on them all, saving time and money. Imagine you need to put labels on wooden crates, plastic containers, and cement bags. With Handjet, you can do it all with one device. It's like magic. Plus, it's easy to use. You just hold it and move it where you want to print. This makes work faster and more efficient. Companies love Handjet because it's versatile and saves space. Instead of having many big printers, they can have one Handjet. It's a handy tool for industries, warehouses, and anyone who needs to mark different materials quickly. Number 2. Reevo Hubless eBike. This e-bike is powerful, with 750 watts of power and a 500 watt-hour battery. It's really secure too, with 3 levels of anti-theft protection. It's packed with cool stuff, making it the top choice in its class. It's got brake lights, headlights, turn signals, locks, and even a phone holder. Plus, you can easily remove the battery for a quick recharge if you need it. So whether you're cruising around town or hitting the trails, this e-bike has everything you need for a smooth ride. And with its advanced features and strong performance, it's sure to make your biking experience even more enjoyable. Number 1. Nike Air Jordan Adapt Jumpman Shoes. These shoes have a special design where they lace up by themselves using new technology. Even though this technology is new, these Air Jordans still look like the ones made 25 years ago. They may look like old-style sports shoes, but they're actually moving towards the future. They use a cool power lacing system to tighten the laces without you needing to do anything. This means you don't have to bend down to tie your shoes anymore. And even though they have this futuristic feature, they still keep the classic shape and style of the original Air Jordans. So, you get the best of both worlds, old-school looks with modern convenience. Thanks for joining us on our journey through incredible inventions. We'd love to hear which gadget impressed you the most. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And while you're at it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video with your pals, and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more mind-blowing content. And before you go, make sure to check out the video about 10 futuristic vehicles currently playing on your screen.